Hi, friends. Welcome back to English Elevator. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Lisa. In today's episode, we'll learn how to talk about the weather in English, easy and useful phrases for everyday conversations.
Let's start with some basic words. Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool.
Repeat after us. It's sunny today. It's cold and windy. The weather is nice.
Here are some questions you can ask. How's the weather today? What's the weather like?
And here are some answers. It's hot and sunny. It's raining a lot. It's cold, but not snowing.
Now it's your turn. I'll ask, how's the weather in your city? Do you like rainy days or sunny days?
Try answering out loud or write your answer in a notebook.
Great job. Now you can talk about the weather in simple English.
Next time someone asks, "How's the weather?" you'll know what to say.
See you in episode 7, only here at English Elevator.